If you'd like to see how I'm going to completely transform these very plain t-shirts and sweatshirts into these lovely, beautiful, professional looking shirts in less than 5 minutes, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to transform these plain shirts and sweatshirts that I have for my daughters into some lovely shirts that are going to look like they came right off the shelf of a store. So I have some new inventory in, and I have these iron-on transfers. I'm going to show you how to use them by using a regular iron. Of course I have a heat press machine, and that works as well, but I'm showing you that you don't have to have that. You can use a regular iron. You just have to make sure it's set at your highest setting, which is usually cotton, and you have to make sure you turn off your steam. You don't want the steam on when you're pressing this on. So I'll show you that later in the video, but let me just show you the options that I do have. So I have this really cute Mickey Mouse Gucci. I have this one. It has 4 lovely ladies on here. It says sisters. I have this really cute one that'll be nice for a little girl's onesie or a toddler shirt. This one says Melanin Princess. This one says Black Princess. And then this adorable one right here, and this one as well. And these are very nice, bright, vibrant colors. This one says Black Father, Black Leader, Black King. This one says Birthday Queen. This one says Nurse Bae. This one says Blessed to be called a breast cancer survivor. This one says Pretty and Prosperous. This is a Minnie Mouse, and it says Louis Vuitton inspired. This is a Chanel drip inspired transfer. This one is a cute little Chanel cup and a purse. This is a repeat of the Minnie Mouse Louis Vuitton. Brown and tan Louis Vuitton with the LV logo. And this is a really cute one with a beautiful lady with an afro, and it looks like a playing card, Queen. And this one is a beautiful woman fixing her crown. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so my daughters picked out the transfers that they want on their shirts. So I'm just gonna go one by one and press it on and show you how simple and easy this is. And these transfers are available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. I'll have a link available, and the shipping is free. Okay, so first things first, you're going to just iron out the wrinkles and make sure it's smooth before you add on the transfer. So that's what you see me doing here. So once you have it smoothed out, you'll just make sure that you line everything up as good as you can. A good way I like to do it, if you don't have some type of rule or anything to measure, you can just kind of line up the middle of the design with the tag in the t-shirt. So I have my iron set on the highest setting, which is cotton, and I'm just doing a gentle press, and I'm evenly going across the whole design to each edge, to edge. So that way you'll make sure that the heat is applied evenly, and you just do this for about 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, so once it cools off for a few seconds, you're going to slowly pull off the transfer sheet, and you want to just hold on to the shirt just so you can have it nice and firm. And look at that, it's nice and vibrant, very pretty, very simple. And I'm just going to go through and do each shirt with the same method. Just go ahead and watch. I'll just go ahead and add on the heat, smooth it out, apply the transfer face up. I have a Teflon sheet. If you don't have one, you should still be fine, but you can get a Teflon sheet on Amazon. They usually come in a pack of 3, and you just gently press it on, and then you go ahead, hold the shirt down on the corner, and you peel it right off. It's very simple, very vibrant, very pretty. You don't need a cutter, you don't need vinyl, and these come out lovely. I had to repress this one. That's why I went ahead and put the Teflon sheet back on. And as you can see, once I pressed it down again, it came out perfectly fine. So sometimes you have to add a little more heat in certain areas. Okay, once again, and I've already ironed this, the wrinkles out off camera. Go ahead, apply it, make sure it's nice and straight. Iron that on. I'm going to continue to do the rest of the shirts. I have like a total of 5, and then I'll show you at the end how beautiful and simple this process is. Again, If you're interested, these are available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. This is very simple. Again, you do not need a heat press. That's wonderful if you do. But just use your iron, press it on nice and evenly from edge to edge, and you'll get this beautiful, customized, on your own, do-it-yourself t-shirt. No one will ever know you did this yourself. It's fabulous, simple, and cute. Also, do not forget, you must allow it to cool all the way down. So you just give it a minute or two. Hold your hand over it. If the transfer still feels really warm to touch, allow a few more minutes. Let it cool all the way down so that way it's nice and settled. Then once you peel it off, you'll have that beautiful, bright, vibrant look on your shirt. These are like super cute. My daughter wore her the hoodie, her sweatshirt today, and she loved it. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of the hoodies and the t-shirts. Well, they're more like I guess a sweatshirt. And I just went to Walmart and just got a couple blank t-shirts and blank hoodies. I keep saying hoodie, but it's a sweatshirt. You know what I mean. Because it is cold. It's fall time. And these are just super cute. They're so vibrant. I really like how the color just pops. It's so bright. Sometimes some people know how to get this effect by layering vinyls with their cutters. It's pretty tedious. I've never really gotten into it, but you don't have to do that. You can just order these transfers and you can just use them on white, dark, light color, dark color. It doesn't matter. They're going to show up nice and vibrant, very pretty. Use your iron on the highest setting, like I said. But if you do have a heat transfer machine, you'll set it on about between 300 and 330. Press for 10 to 12 seconds. I would say no more than 15 seconds. Let it cool all the way down. Peel it off, and voila, you have a beautiful t-shirt that you can just wear and go. And you should be able to get, well, they say you should be able to get at least 100 washes. I'm not sure about that, but it'll last you some time. However, when you do go ahead and wash your shirts, I would turn them inside out. Wash on a gentle cycle. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Share it if someone you know may be interested. Again, my website is myroyalradiance.com. Thanks you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.